I can't hear the fucking thing.
I'm running it.
Turtle Beach, shut up your music. Connor, stay down. Hey, is that on? Watch this fridge. Alright. Connor, cover me. Now. No. No, are you for real hit? Bitch. Hey, what are we looking at? I don't want to pop out. I don't know whose fuck this light this is. Stop fucking shooting me. That's just a fucking waste of ammo right there.
Hey, we got, I think we have a camera like
I don't know if this guy's smart enough to know he's not shooting through that crack, but I wouldn't go out there.
I know, he's coming through that crack. That's all
Yeah.
There's a helicopter operating there.
What?
There's a helicopter operating there.
Maybe.
Are you gonna take?
Yeah.
Did I give you 10 feet?
No, I mean, he's straight. They would have gotten you, but I'm out.
Coming out, coming out.
PP hole. What? I got shot. You watch that guy?
Safe has the flag!
I'm going that way. Oh, there you are. I heard Nick behind you. I was like, what? Oh, God, we got music playing. Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Yep. It's all that music, man. Makes you a target.
Hey, yeah, man.
Oh, shit. All that.
There's people.
Yeah, like that guy? Well. There's a guy fucking right there, Connor. No, he's out. Never mind.
Yeah, watch that way.
What's up, Connor? That hallway was mildly gay.
Dude, I played that kid. I lit that kid. I shot him on full.
Are you ever going full? Oh, he got me.
Oh, God.
You are a useless part of this team. You're a useless part of our team. Duende, you are a useless part of this team.
I got you.
Uh-huh.
I'm sorry, that kid face later.
Uh-huh.
Look at his face! Look at his face!
Hey, Connor, why'd you back out? What the fuck? We're on your team. You bitch. Can we get in here so I don't get shot? Bang, 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 bang. I didn't.
My bad. Okay.
That's mine.
You want to switch sides?
I want that back.
What?
I want that back.
Want to switch sides?
Yeah.
Get it.
Can I have that?
Watch.
Oh, where's the other part?
It's out there still. I saw
You
it.
see it?
Yeah, it's out there.
Yeah, wait there.
Why the fuck are you shooting me? I know it's fucking you. I'm not stupid. Well, I don't know. So you see it out there?
Yeah, my ass in it.
Can you go grab it for me? Oh, it's right there.
It literally goes right there.
Yeah. I didn't even see it. Yeah, well, we can smash.